In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your notes into a clean, shareable file that looks the same on any device. Start by opening your notebook in OneNote and heading to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, select Export. This is where OneNote lets you turn your notes into different file types, and PDF is the most reliable choice for sharing or archiving because it keeps your layout intact. In the Export window, look for Export Current. This setting controls how much of your notes you want to include. Choose Page if you only need the specific page you're looking at right now. Great for a single meeting note or a handout. Pick Section. If you want all the pages grouped under your current tab, which is handy when a topic spans several pages. Choose Notebook if you're ready to capture everything in one go. Keep in mind that exporting a whole notebook can create a large file and might take a little longer, especially if you have lots of images or printouts. Next, select PDF. PDF as the format. PDF is a fixed layout format, meaning your text, images, tables, and drawings should appear exactly as they do in OneNote. It's also widely supported, so you can send it to anyone without worrying about whether they have OneNote installed. Click Export. You'll be prompted to choose where to save your file. Pick a location you'll remember, like your Documents folder or a project folder on your desktop or cloud drive. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Adding a date or version number can help keep things organized if you export updates over time. Finally, click Save. OneNote will create the PDF based on your selection. If you exported a section or an entire notebook, give it a moment to finish. When it's done, your PDF will be ready in the folder you chose. A few quick tips to get the best results. What you see on the page is what gets exported. So, tidy up anything you don't want included and make sure large images or printouts are fully visible. Hyperlinks will usually carry over, but embedded files and audio recordings won't be interactive inside a PDF. If your PDF ends up large, consider exporting just a page or a section rather than the full notebook. That's all there is to it. You've saved your OneNote content as a PDF, ready to share, print, or archive with confidence.